Okay? Kapag next week, take note. Next week, ang magiging
Guys, gusto ko pa mag-base.
Face it.
Miss ko na face ko.
Ala. Siya hindi mo miss.
Hindi.
Ay. Fake cut.
Kadabay ka ba?
Might not get in here, but what is important is the revise or the revision.
At least interpret na si Shazzy. Iba niya yung
So that's the tree of life sa Mindanao. Kasi if you're a non-believer, no, you're not Christian, that's what you see. No?
in compliance with the Okay, unahin natin yung data. This would serve as your PC number 2. So sa college, merong subject na tinatawag na Christian Discipleship Today. Initially, what I can say about this subject is that it has a certain similarity with JEC 001 Catholic Social Teaching. Later on, you will see